What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Keep It Up, Kristen Jackson. I'm your girl, Kristen. I want you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell. Follow me on Instagram, Kristen9, TikTok, Kristen Ryan, Twitter, Kristen46. That's all you guys have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Let's get started with our day. Is January. Why do I keep saying that? It's June 22nd. Happy Thursday. Is 10:28 a.m. in the morning. So, yeah. Second day of summer. Happy second day of summer. I should say that. And I forgot to say happy first day of summer. But whatever. Happy second day. About this allegation stuff, blah blah blah. Drama. I should say. But yeah. I'm back with another vlog. And I'm about to edit this vlog that I did yesterday. The only thing I did was sing my ass off and dance. That's it. That's all I did today. This morning, I should say. And watched a lot of YouTube videos and read. That's it. Or anything like that. I just, get off the bed, go eat. I ate something, I read, I upload old pictures to Instagram, and then I did an Instagram story, and then I watch YouTube videos, I sing, I dance, and that was it. That's all I did this morning. And I'm like super, I'm like, okay. Now I'm ready to work. I just had to do stuff in the morning before I did the actual work. Okay. Almost joke. Oh my god. Okay. So, I want to lay down. So, I'm just gonna do 2 clips right now, and then later I'm gonna do like another 2 clips, or actually do 3 clips later. And then, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. What's up, guys? Update time is 10:31. I'm doing another clip. So, I'm just like, okay, just gotta do another clip. I'm about to lay down after this clip, and I'm really tired, It's like, you could put that, it's like a body mist. I'm not telling no kids that. But yeah, Express TV. Got done singing and dancing, and now I'm doing a vlog, and the fuck. Every time I come on camera, I'm always tired. This is a thing. It's a thing, I'm always freaking tired. I'm gonna come on here. I'm about to take a nap. That's what I'm about to do after this. And then get up and edit and do more clips. And yeah, right now. And yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to do that because I'm really tired right now. I'm like, what the fuck? So I'm trying to vlog, okay? I'm trying to vlog, and it's not working. And I'm like really tired right now. It's like, what the fuck? I am super tired. It's like night. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? I don't know. I'm just here and tired, and I just want to go to sleep. That's what I want to do. Like, what the fuck? yeah, anyways, I'm about to go, and I will talk to you guys in the next clip. When I'm like really tired, I just don't want to talk. But I just don't want to talk about it right now because I'm really tired. And I want to sleep. And I want to take a nap. And that's what I want to do. I'm about to take a nap. And I will talk to you guys in the next clip. So stay tuned. And yeah. See you guys at 12 or 1 p.m. Okay. Guys, so bedtime. It is 2:27 p.m. I'm doing another clip because I fell asleep, you guys. I did. So now I have to do 4 clips in this clip and in this hour. So yeah. I'm so fucking tired. It's like crazy tired. I'm crazy tired. I fall asleep. Now I'm awake. Sorry. There. So, I'm awake now. Fucking crazy tired. I didn't even edit my vlog. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. I need to edit right now. Okay. This is yeah. I need to edit right the fuck now. What am I doing with my life? Not editing? That's for sure. Oh, God. What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Keep It Up with Kristen Jackson. Kristen Video Dollar Series. Yeah, and it is June 21st. Happy Wednesday. It's 8:21 a.m. I want you guys to Twitter Kristen 46. That's all you guys have to do. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed your day. Let's get started with our day. So today, we're not doing nothing. Okay, we're not doing nothing because so you guys, I'm like super tired. And when I get tired, I'm like, I don't want to vlog. You know, that's how I feel. But I have to, so I'm gonna vlog. And I'm gonna add it because that's what I have to do. But it's Google Show, bro. Okay. But hey guys, update time. It is 8:30. So next clip there will be like around 3 or 4. I will use the other the Rode mic. But I'm like super tired, guys. Like, what the fuck? It's not funny. It's really not. I woke up, this room's hot now. I'm like, what the? Anyways, I'm gonna have to go. See you guys in the next clip. Hi guys, update time. It is 2:32. Doing another clip. I'm trying to hurry up and do these 4 clips because, yeah, that's what I do. I need to hurry up and do them, and I need to finish this editing. So I'm just like, do I really want to edit right now? Do I really want to vlog right now? But I have to. What the fuck? It's not funny. Yes, I'm I'm about to edit with that pen because I don't feel like doing it with my hand right now. So like, what the fuck? Anyways, I'm just rambling right now because I'm like, my brain, I have a lot of things to talk about, but when I fell asleep, I was like awake again. And it's crazy. So, yeah. I don't know. Everything's happening. I just wanted to be blogging and all that. So, what am I going to do with my life? You know? I was supposed to be writing, and that's my writing. I'm gonna start writing next month. Not doing writing right now because I can't do writing and all that stuff and just thinking about, you know, all that. So I'm just gonna write next month and then do everything else. And like, what the fuck? So next Wednesday I have a meeting. I keep forgetting to tell my cousin that. I have to download Zoom. So it's great. I don't feel like downloading Zoom, but I have to. See, I want to go on Zoom because I don't want to go in person. I don't feel like going downtown. So that's where she is. I don't feel like going where the crackheads is, okay? Yeah. No offense to the crackheads or anything, but I just don't feel like going over there. So, yes. I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip, and stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, update time is 2:35. Doing another clip, like I said I was going to do. I'm really tired. I'm turning my glasses off. Turning my glasses. See, I'm tired as fuck right now. Like, what the fuck? Okay, I'm putting my glasses on, and I'm about to eat some ice cream. But hold on a minute. Actually, hold on 1 minute. That's done. I'm back. And let's go to the bathroom because that's how I am. So, oh, this is really ugly filter right now. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna hit you guys up in the next clip. Stay tuned. Okay, bye. Guys, update time is 2:42. Doing another clip. This is the last clip of this hour, and so I'm doing that clip because I want to, and I just want to talk to you guys about being patient with people, and they will give you likes, they will give you views, they will. I have to be patient like that for Instagram and for YouTube and all that, and like I say some harsh things in my Instagram story, but I'm like, you guys are my so angry, and I had so many people view that shit, and like, oh no. Now my reputation's probably like, damn, she's like a fucking diva right now. My bad, like, what the fuck? I just wanna, you know, people to like shit. So like, what the fuck? I don't know. Anyways. So like, people would not like it or anything. I won't be here next Wednesday on Zoom. Like, ugh. Really gotta download that Zoom app though. I don't know if she texted me. I have to look and see if she texted me about the, so. Anyways, that's why I want to come out here. It's like, I gotta be patient with people. I just gotta be patient with them. And yeah, that's what I gotta do. And not go off on other people and like, what the fuck? So I really need to edit that video, and that's why that's what I'm for, and end the vlog at 4. And I don't feel like it. I don't feel like vlogging anymore today, so I always do this for like last 2 weeks. I was like, I don't feel like vlogging no more. Like, I don't know. Anyways, I will talk to you guys in the next clip. That will be at 4, maybe 3:34. Yeah, bye. So guys, update time is 4:24 p.m. Closing the vlog out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoy your day. See you guys tomorrow, another vlog. Okay, I want you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, Kristen9, TikTok, Kristen Ryan, Twitter, Kristen46. That's all you guys have to do. See you guys tomorrow, the other day vlog, and for real, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog because it's a really short one. Because, okay, so, yeah, and I just got done editing. Now it's exporting, and then after that, I gotta upload it on YouTube because I haven't had a YouTube video up today, and it's not like me. It's really not, because I usually have a YouTube video before around this time. So yeah, anyways, just everything's happening. I'm like, what the fuck is going on, you know? But like, I don't know. I will not be looking like this tomorrow though. I'm gonna change my clothes and everything, so yeah. I don't know. I'm just gonna go. See you guys tomorrow. Another day vlog. See you guys at 8 a.m. Okay. Instead of 5, because I know I'm gonna be sleeping through my alarm again. So yeah. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.